Hi everybody, I'm Rob Schmidt, and again I come to you as Rob the School Teacher, and today I'm going to teach a little math lesson on mortgages. I'm going to dispel many of the myths you have already heard regarding what the factors actually contribute to whether or not your home loan application is either approved or denied. And for all of those of you who have seen my student behavior Joe Clark style video, I just want to say thank you. Now, in light of the foreclosure crisis, I knew this would be a great time to do a quick YouTube dispelling many of the myths you have heard. During this video, I'm going to discuss what factors actually contribute to whether or not your home loan application is either approved or denied. So for those of you who are considering applying for a home loan, or for those of you who are trying to scrape together every dime you have in order to qualify, this video will empower you. Not only do I have a Bachelor of Science degree in Financial Counseling and Planning from Purdue University, I was also a licensed loan officer in Los Angeles for a couple of years. And unlike most, if not all, of your loan officers and financial planners who only get paid when they close your deals and earn their commissions, I have a vested interest in giving accurate information. If I don't, my credibility is shot, and so is my career. It all begins with the FICO scores. Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. Typically, most lenders consider FICO scores of 700 or above to be very high. In some cases, however, lenders as a matter of policy will reject applicants if they have the bankruptcy anywhere in their credit history, even if their FICO scores are considered to be high. The best way to build your FICO scores is to pay your bills on time every time. For example, pay your credit card's entire balance as soon as you receive the bill, or no later than the payment due date. In case of emergencies, making your minimum payment no later than the due date will help to maintain your credit score. It is far better than simply waiting until you have enough money to pay the entire bill. But it is only a band-aid and should only be used on a short-term basis, say 2 to 3 months. If you can only make the minimum payment, you will be paying interest on the unpaid balance until it has been paid off in full. The front-end ratio. This ratio indicates what portion of your income is used to make mortgage payments. It is calculated as your monthly housing expenses divided by your monthly gross income and is expressed as a percentage. Monthly gross income is simply annual income divided by 12 months. Your back-end ratio, also known as your debt-to-income ratio. This ratio indicates what portion of your monthly income goes towards paying debts. Total monthly debt includes expenses such as mortgage payments, credit card payments, child support, and other loan payments. For further details regarding front-end and back-end ratios, just go to my website at www.robschmidt.org. Click onto the Mortgage Meltdown link on the left-hand side. The final factor used in determining whether or not your loan application is approved or denied is your employment history. As a general rule of thumb, the longer you've been employed with a company, the better your chances are. Home loans are not approved or denied based on anyone's race, creed, or color. FICO scores, for example, are completely computerized. I'm going to leave all of you with one more piece of very sound financial advice. Just because you qualify for that home loan, for that home you've been dreaming about, does not necessarily mean you can afford it. As a general rule of thumb, most financial advisors recommend their clients have anywhere between 6 to 12 months worth of living expenses as liquid assets in case something goes wrong as a safety net. The question I have for you, in this economy, can you afford to go without that 6 to 12 months worth of safety net? In this economy, can your nervous system handle that? And I want to thank all of you so much for being part of my audience, and if any of you have any suggestions regarding YouTube videos that you would like to see me do in the future, please either share your thoughts with me in the YouTube message center, or you can email me at robsyoutube@earthlink.net. If I like your ideas, I'll read them and I'll give you credit. And may God bless you all.